Now next topic taken here is kinetic theory of gases. Kinetic theory of gases. For theory, we have some postulates. The postulate you can note down. लिख लीजिए postulates of theory. लिख लीजिए write down. Write down first point. The gas molecules are considered. The gas molecules are considered as point masses. As point masses whose volume is negligible, as compared to the volume of the gas or vessel. As compared to the volume of the gas or the vessel. इसका मीनिंग क्या है देखिए, यहाँ पे दो टर्म्स यूज किए मैंने. एक लिखा है टर्म वॉल्यूम ऑफ द गैस मॉलिक्यूल्स एंड सेकंड टर्म टेकन इज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द गैस. व्हाट इज वॉल्यूम ऑफ द गैस? इट इज सेम एज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द कंटेनर और द वेसल which contain the gas. So if I suppose take here 1 mole of gas at NTP or in STP conditions will have how much volume? Volume can be taken here 22.4 liter. If I take pressure 1 atmosphere, volume we take temperature 0 degrees Celsius and in such conditions for 1 mole of any gas the volume taken 22.4 liter, or I can add 22,400 cc. If I take pressure 1 bar then the value is how much? 22.7 liters. So 1 mole of any gas at NTP conditions will occupy the volume of 22.4 liters or 22400 cubic centimeter. That is meaning volume of the gas. It is called volume of the gas. Now if I take volume of 1 mole of gas molecules, so what is volume of the gas molecules? 1 mole. Volume of 1 mole of gas molecules. This can be taken how much? Volume of 1 molecule 4/3 pi r cube. Radius range can be taken, okay, pi r cube into Avogadro's number. This can be taken volume of 1 mole of gas molecules. If I take the value 4/3 pi r cube 22/7. Radius can be taken in the range of 10 to power minus 8 centimeter, because the size of atoms in the range of 1 angstrom or 10 to power minus 8 centimeter into Avogadro's number 6.02 into 10 to power 23. So when you solve this part here, you can see this value coming negligible. अब कितना आएगा आप चेक करेंगे यहाँ पे निकाल के, तो देखिए रफली निकालने पर ये आएगा 0.6 on solving into 3 around 1.8 means something 2 to 3 ml. What is volume of 1 mole of gas? 22400 cc, and this volume how much? 2 to 3 cc. So we can say this is the volume of 1 mole of gas molecules, and this is the volume of the gas, 1 mole of gas. So this is very small as compared to this volume. So we can say this point that compared to volume of the gas, the volume of the gas molecules is negligible. The volume of the gas molecules is negligible. समझ में आ रहा है पॉइंट ये वाला कि कंपेयर टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ द गैस, द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द गैस मॉलिक्यूल्स इज नेग्लिजिबल. मोरओवर दिस वॉल्यूम इज वेरिएबल. इफ आई सपोज मेक द प्रेशर हाफ, दिस वॉल्यूम विल बी डबल, और टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज, दिस वॉल्यूम इंक्रीजेस, बट दिस वॉल्यूम इज फिक्स. So that's the point meaning here. Gas molecules are considered as point masses whose volume is negligible as compared to volume of the vessel or the gas. Vessel or container means that is the same as volume of the gas. First point. Now second point, that is second postulate. Okay. Among the gas molecules, there are no interactive forces, no attraction or repulsion forces. See, all these postulates are valid only for ideal gas. They are postulates only valid for the ideal gases. Already given in brief some idea also. Okay, what is ideal gas? Means real gas can behave ideally in some set of conditions. Ideal gas can be taken one hypothetical gas which can obey the gas laws, and for the gas to behave as ideal gas, they should obey all the postulates. For a gas to behave as ideal gas, they should obey all the postulate of kinetic theory basis. So first point is taken, volume of the gas molecules is negligible. Second point, among the gas molecules, there are no attractive or repulsive forces, no interactive forces. No interactive forces are there in the or among the gas molecules. Right, next point. The collisions of gas molecules, among themselves or with the walls of container are perfectly elastic in nature. Elastic in nature means before collision and after collision their kinetic energy or momentum remain unchanged. Before collision and after collision, momentum or the kinetic energy remain unchanged is elastic collisions means. Next point, a gas exerts pressure due to collision of gas molecules on the walls of container, on the walls of vessel or container. A gas exerts pressure due to collision of the gas molecules on the walls of vessel or walls of container. Collisions can be there among the gas molecules, among themselves or with the walls of container. So the collision of gas molecules among themselves will have no impact on the pressure of the gas. A gas will exert pressure due to collision of gas molecules only with the walls of container or walls of vessel. Got this point? Last point taken here. The kinetic energy, the term is average kinetic energy of gas molecules is directly proportional to absolute temperature. The average kinetic energy of gas molecules is directly proportional to absolute temperature. Means with rising temperature, the molecules can have higher kinetic energy. Lowering of temperature, they will have lower kinetic energy. What is meaning of term average? Average means per mole. For 1 mole of gas molecules, that is average. So they are the key postulates of the kinetic theory of gases. In this first second postulate already gave you the brief idea when we were discussing ideal gas or the gas laws prior to gas law introduction, because the different gas laws can be applicable only for the ideal gases. And these first two postulates are again important because they also will help us to derive the expression of real gases called as van der Waals gas equation. So anyway, using these postulates, one expression is derived for relation of pressure and volume of the gas molecules with mass, number of particles and the speed of molecules. And that equation is called as kinetic gas equation. So let us see the kinetic gas equation. That equation taken is PV is equal to 1 by 3 mnu square. This expression taken here is called as kinetic gas equation. Kinetic gas equation. PV is equal to 1 by 3 mnu square, where m is taken the mass of each gas molecule, n is taken number of gas molecules, u is taken one term called root mean square speed. Root mean square speed of gas molecules, and this P is pressure of the gas. P is pressure of the gas, V is the volume of the gas. P is the pressure of the gas and V is the volume of the gas. This equation is called as kinetic gas equation, from where you can study the some more points here. Remember, in calculation of gases kinetic energy or this relation pressure volume, we will take all data in SI system, like we take pressure in pascals, volume of the gas in cubic meter, mass of the molecules in kilogram, number of molecules to same here, speed of the molecule to be taken in meter per second. We take the speed of molecules in meter per second. So about the units, be careful. You can note down this and then we can take equation modification. In the given expression, if I take here n is equal to Avogadro's number, if I take suppose 1 mole, if I take 1 mole of gas molecules, then this term taken m into Na become equal to capital M, molar mass, mass of 1 mole of the molecules. So in the expression we can replace that m into Na by the term capital M. So P into V is equal to 1 by 3 mu square. Equation right side you can multiply and divide by 2. So I can write here 2 by 3 into 1 by 2 mu square is equal to P into V. Now this term taken here, I hope it is clear. On the right side we are dividing by 2 and also multiplying by 2. So net equation same, 1 by 3 mu square. 2 and 2 can cancel out also, so can say same expression. But this term become kinetic energy. So this term is kinetic energy. 2 by 3 into kinetic energy of the gas molecules can be taken as P into V. Or what is kinetic energy of gas molecules? 3 by 2 PV. For 1 mole of gas, I can add 3 by 2 RT. If for 1 mole of gas, P into V is equal to RT. For 1 mole of gas, P into V is equal to RT. So we can write here that this energy called as average kinetic energy of gas molecules. It is average kinetic energy of gas molecules, that is per mole. Means in the expression if I take N is equal to 1 mole, then for 1 mole of gas PV is equal to RT. For 1 mole of gas PV is equal to RT. So this kinetic energy taken 3 by 2 PV or 3 by 2 RT. This energy taken is called as the gas's average kinetic energy, that is per mole. Now for 1 molecule or n molecules we can calculate further. So I hope it is clear. When we take kinetic energy per mole, it was 3 by 2 PV or 3 by 2 nRT. N is 1. Okay, for 1 mole we can write here PV is equal to RT for 1 mole of gas. So I can write here PV 3 by 2 PV or PV is equal to RT. Whenever we take calculation of kinetic energy of gas per mole, then it is called as average kinetic energy of the gas. I hope you got this point. Now next can be taken here. This expression if I take for 1 molecule of the gas, for 1 molecule, how to find this kinetic energy? It can be taken 3 by 2 R divided by Avogadro's number into temperature. This is called as 3 by 2 kT. In the expressions, K is called as Boltzmann constant. K is called as Boltzmann constant. value of K can be taken from R is taken 8.314 joules units, joules per mole per Kelvin divided by Avogadro's number 6.02 into 10 to the power 23. That come 1.38 into 10 to the power minus 23. This value can come 1.38 into 10 to the power minus 23 joules per molecule per Kelvin. So per molecule taken, this is dividing by Avogadro's number, and if I take for n moles, expression can be simply taken same, but we take 3/2, that for n moles of kinetic energy can be taken 3/2 nRT. If we take n moles of the gas, then for the gas we can have kinetic energy taken by expression 3/2 nRT. N is number of moles of the gas. So you can take in all the expressions. When I am using temperature expressions, R is coming gas constant, or K is constant, or nR is also constant. So if I take for 1 mole of gas, if N is 1 mole means, then for the gas you can say all the expression gives same result, that for the gases kinetic energy is directly proportional to absolute temperature. That for the gas the average kinetic energy will change only and only when we change temperature. At same temperature, any gas will have same average kinetic energy. That the last postulate indicates or means. On this expression base, let us take some questions. Questions can be theoretical or numerical. If the question number is numerical, you take proper value, you take all data in SI units. We take value of R 8.314 joules per mole per Kelvin, and we take value of, let's say, pressure pascals, volume cubic meter, mass kilogram, and speed of molecules whenever taken to be taken in meter per second. Okay, so about units be careful. Now coming on next point, okay, how on this expression based questions can be given to you. If I again take we can take for the gas what is average kinetic energy is 3/2 PV or 3/2 RT. I am writing for you equation once again for your clarity. पहला क्वेश्चन इसमें दिया हुआ है, given at 25 degree Celsius, which gas has highest average काइनेटिक एनर्जी. आपको ऑप्शन दिया है इसमें हाइड्रोजन, नाइट्रोजन, O2 एंड CO2 गैस, या ऑप्शन आपको एक और दिया उन्होंने ऑल सेम. कैन यू टेल द आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन? एट 25 डिग्री सेल्सियस व्हिच गैस हैव हाईएस्ट एवरेज काइनेटिक एनर्जी? हाइड्रोजन, N2, O2, CO2 एंड all are same. So what's answer? Answer for this question is what here? E, all same, because we are having in say all the case same temperature. If in all the case we are having same temperature, rest the gas molecular mass is not involved. For the gas the molecular mass is not involved in the expression. So what we can write here directly, that when we take fixed temperature for all the gases, they will have same average kinetic energy. Got this question answer? Now second question given, लिखा है if the pressure of gas is doubled at 25 degree Celsius, then average काइनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ गैस मॉलिक्यूल्स क्या होना चाहिए? ऑप्शन को ए दिया है डबल्स, ऑप्शन बी दिया है रिड्यूस टू हाफ, सी दिया है रिमेन्स सेम, रिमेन्स कांस्टेंट, ऑप्शन डी दिया है नॉट श्योर. कैन यू टेल द आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन? If the pressure of the gas is doubled at 25 degree Celsius, then what happened to gas's average kinetic energy? Okay, think yourself. Now let's see solution part. To solve this question, देखिए इसमें क्या दिया आपको है, एवरेज काइनेटिक एनर्जी एट फिक्स्ड टेम्परेचर. So pressure is double, volume should be half. Don't think pressure double so it should be double. No. At same temperature, as per Boyle's law, if pressure will be double, the volume will be half. Or vice versa. Product of pressure into volume is constant at same temperature for same amount of gas. देखा ना, average means per mole. If you take 1 mole of gas, then amount of gas is constant. So it depends only on temperature, which is same. So what is the answer here for this question? C, remains same. Because we are taking same temperature, average means per mole. So answer for this question will be constant. Okay. So we will take some more questions after topic is over. Calculation based questions also. So it is one part taken. काइनेटिक थ्योरी ऑफ गैसेस, इक्वेशन डेरिवेशन केमिस्ट्री में हमको चाहिए नहीं होता है, डायरेक्टली आप रिजल्ट को रखिए इसमें कि PV is equal to 1/3 mnu square. That is kinetic gas equation. And now we take different types of speed of the gas molecules. Next topic can be taken the different types of speed of gas molecules. Now we take our next topic, different types of molecular speeds of gas molecules. Again they are quite important because you get question frequently to compare the speed of same gas in different types. So in the speeds we will take 3 types of speeds here. First one is called as root mean square speed of the gas molecules. Root mean square speed of gas molecules. How we define this? This can be taken as it is square root of mean of squares of speeds of gas molecules. आपका टर्म है ना, रूट मीन स्क्वायर मीन्स इट इज द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ mean of squares of the speeds of gas molecules. Meaning suppose we can have 4 molecules which have speed v1, v2, v3 and v4. If I take definition part, suppose we have 4 gas molecules which are having speed v1, v2, v3 and v4. Then for this gas, how to find the root mean square speed? So first what to do here? First we take the square of speeds. All the speeds we take first square. Then we take mean of squares. Mean means average of the squares. We have 4 molecules. So this is the first squaring all the speeds. Then we take the mean of the speeds of the squares and then square root. It is definition of VRMS. We are writing symbol. We have taken symbol earlier U. That is same as VRMS because we are having speed of different categories. So it is first one taken VRMS. Root means square speed of the gas molecules. I hope definition is clear. Now for calculation of VRMS we can take other expressions as well. It can be taken 3 PV upon M square root or root 3 RT upon M molar mass, or I can write here root 3 P upon D. D is taken for the gas density. This expression can have, if you just recall the previous topic, kinetic gas equation, we have taken PV is equal to 1/3 mu square. This u was same. If I replace u as VRMS square, then from here you can take what is VRMS, 3 PV upon M square root. And we know for 1 mole of gas how we write second expression, since we know PV is equal to RT per mole of the gas. So I can replace the product of pressure into volume by R into T in the given expression, and we can further write here M upon V is what here? M upon V. M is molar mass, V is molar volume of the gas. This can be taken D. For the gas density, mass by volume is for the gas density. So how we write this last expression? We replace m upon v by density or rho. So there are different expressions or formulas for calculation of the gases root mean square speed. Okay, that is first expression taken of speed of gas taken called as root mean square speed. I hope it is clear. Now let us take second speed here. Second speed taken is average speed or mean speed. We can take symbol VAV for average speed. It just would mean. So how we define this average speed? It's simple, average mean of the speeds of molecules. If I write, suppose in this case, 4 gas molecules whose speed is V1, V2, V3 and V4. Then for them, what is average speed? Add, then take mean. That is definition of average speed. It is simply average or mean of the speeds of the molecules. Now for calculation, we can take relation like previous case, root 8 RT upon pi m. Root 8 RT upon pi m. These derivations of this expression are coming using Maxwell's derivations, but in our syllabus they are not there. तो no need to worry कि कहाँ से आ गया. आपको खाली डायरेक्ट रिजल्ट्स आपको ध्यान रखना यहाँ पर है कि क्वेश्चन में डायरेक्ट पूछेगा स्पीड कितना है, तो आपको रिलेशंस यूज करना चाहिए इसमें. तो ये वो 8 RT by pi m और root 8 PB upon pi m, or we can write here root 8 P upon pi D. That is average speed of the gas molecules. Average speed is root 8 RT by pi m और root 8 PB upon pi m. इसमें डिफरेंस क्या है? नंबर आपका डिफरेंस हुआ 8 and pi. वहाँ पे था root 3, यहाँ पे root 8 upon pi. Rest is common. RT upon m common in all the expressions. I hope it's clear. The average speed, it is the average of the speeds of different kind of gas molecules or mean of the speeds. Derivations आपको नहीं syllabus में नहीं है, आपको नहीं चाहिए इसका. They come from Maxwell's theory, but results आपको याद होना चाहिए properly, correctly. That is second speed type. Now third speed is taken called as most probable speed. Let's take next one. Third taken most probable speed, VMP. What is that? देखिए इसका मीनिंग क्या है? इट इज द स्पीड possessed by maximum fraction or can take percentage of gas molecules or can take simply maximum number of molecules. So we can take term better is fraction or percentage of molecules. The speed possessed by maximum fraction or percentage of molecules is taken as the most probable speed of the gas. Now इसका meaning क्या होता है? Suppose we can have in system we can have so many gas molecules. If I suppose take that 10% of gas molecules have speed, suppose 5 meter per second, 10% of molecules, and let us say 15% molecules have speed 6 meter per second. Let us say then here 50% molecules have speed 6.5 meter per second, and then we can take here 35% molecules have speed, let us take in this case again 10% of molecules have speed again taken here 6.8 meter per second, and you can take 15% of molecules have speed 7 meter per second. So in this case, which speed can be taken as the gas molecules most probable speed? This one. The speed possessed by maximum fraction of molecules, maximum percentage of molecules, means when you take randomly, we take any molecule, so what is the chance of probability that the speed of molecules can be this much, highest probability. So highest probability is here, probability is maximum, most probable speed is here. Which one? The speed possessed by maximum fraction or maximum percentage of the gas molecules. I hope it is clear. For calculation of most probable speed, we can take again some relations. Vmp symbol taken here is equal to root 2 RT upon m or root 2 PV upon m, or you can write here root 2 P upon D. These expressions can be helpful to us in calculation of most probable speed. So I hope it is clear definition part. Now let us take a small question on calculation of speed of molecules. On that basis, आपको क्वेश्चन दिया है, find VRMS root mean square speed of CO2 gas at NTP conditions in meter per second. बहुत easy question है, but try this question yourself. Now coming on solution part. देखिए question बहुत easy है, but in this case the student make mistake. What? They don't take proper units. If you take any one unit wrong, answer cannot come correctly. If you take any one value or unit wrong, answer cannot come correctly. Say in this expressions taken here, I'm just giving first units for solving this question. When you take pressure to be taken in pascals or Newton per meter square, volume of the gas to be taken in cubic meter, then we can take here temperature in Kelvin scale as always, and then you can take value of R gas constant to find the speed in meter per second. I'm just giving all the values here. 8.314 joules per mole per Kelvin. Then you take the molar mass of the gas in kg per mole. At the point the student make common mistake, they take the molar mass of the gas as such. इसको ध्यान रखना है कि for the gas we take molar mass in kg per mole. Then for the gas we can take density as mass upon volume. Mass we take in kg, so we take in the units kg per cubic meter. If for the gas we take density in kg per cubic meter, when you take all the data taken here in this system SI units, then we can get for the speed of molecules in meter per second. बच्चे ठीक करते क्वेश्चन को, बस यहाँ मोलर मास में गलती कर देते हैं and then the answer cannot come correctly. तो let us see the answer. देखिए हमारे पास different relations हैं VRMS कैलकुलेशन के लिए. एक रिलेशन होता है root 3 RT upon m, root 3 RT upon m. From this expression, what is the answer here? 3. We take R 8.314. Temperature in Kelvin scale. NTP means we take temperature 273 Kelvin. And we take molar mass 44. It is gram per mole. Make it kilogram. बच्चे गलती ये करते हैं. They take 44 and forget this, and then answer cannot come correctly. That is VRMS. A second relation for VRMS was root 3 PV upon m expression. How this expression can apply here? So root 3 P taken pressure 1 atmosphere, that is 101,325 pascals, volume 22.4 liters, make it cubic meter, by molar mass same 44 into 10 to the power minus 3. We can use any of the equation, both the equations give same results, and that result coming 393, approximately 393 meter per second. That for CO2 gas at NTP the speed will come 393 meter per second. I hope you got this point. Speed of gas molecules. So about units have to be very careful. और इसमें कुछ नहीं होता है. When they ask to compare, equation आपको 3 याद होनी चाहिए. Equation आपको 3 याद होनी चाहिए. If you remember the equations, then question solving is very easy. Okay. Now sometime you get question to compare the speed of all three category. पूछते हैं what is the ratio of the three speeds, which is highest speed, which is lowest speed, बहुत सिंपल होता है इसमें। देखिए हाईएस्ट कौन सा होता है, यू कैन मेमोराइज बाय वर्ड राम। यहाँ पे क्या है, which is highest, root means square speed, then average speed, and then most probable speed. Instead it is taken here VRMS, root means square, it is average, it is most probable speed. क्या रेशियो आएगा तीनों में, if it is ratio wise means VRMS to V average to VMP, RAM. What is ratio? Root 3 RT upon M, root 8 upon pi RT upon M, or root 2 RT upon M. Relate here, ratio was taken here. Ratio of all the three speeds are coming. We can say in all the three questions, what is the value ratio wise? What are common terms? RT upon M is common throughout. RT upon M is common throughout the expression. So when it is ratio wise करना है उसमें ratio is root 3 is to root 8 upon pi, 8 by 3.14 is to root 2. So if you take the ratio wise, speed wise, which is highest magnitude for same gas in same conditions, यहाँ पे कितना 8 root 3 है root 2, यहाँ पे कितना 8 upon 3.14 means something more than 2 but less than 3 ratio. So this ratio will be something intermediate only. So we can take for same gas in same conditions, relative value wise RMS is highest in magnitude, then you take V average, then VMP. If they ask question in the three speeds, what is the order of the three speeds, you can remember भगवान राम, रूट मीन स्क्वायर हाईएस्ट, फिर आपका एवरेज, फिर आपका मोस्ट प्रोबेबल स्पीड आएगा। आई होप इट इज क्लियर। चलिए, तो दैट इज द दिस पार्ट टेकन हियर। कैलकुलेशन में आपको यूनिट्स का ध्यान रखना खाली है, और बाकी क्या आपका वेरिएबल हो सकते हैं। वी कैन हैव वेरिएबल टेम्परेचर एंड मोलर मास, बाकी तो सब कांस्टेंट ही रहेगा क्वेश्चन में, अगर स्पीड पूछा है कंपेयर करने के लिए तो। ठीक है, सो आई होप इट इज क्लियर। नाउ नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज टेकन how this speeds we can distribute in Maxwell's Boltzmann graph. So that is next we take topic. Now next we take is Maxwell's Boltzmann distribution of molecular speeds. Sometimes it is only called means it is commonly called as Maxwell's distribution of molecular speeds. But both scientists have given contribution. So after their name it is called as combinedly called as Maxwell's Boltzmann distribution of molecular speeds. See, let us see first graph, this one here. See this graph first. Forget this graph right now. So we have taken the graph, we have drawn fraction of molecules versus speed of the gas molecules. Now this graph is following this kind of nature. Now in this case the speed is taken lowest but fraction highest. The speed possessed by maximum fraction of molecules is called as most probable speed, but see in magnitude it is lowest. And then second taken average speed. Average speed is this one here. It is more than most probable speed in magnitude, but fraction is lower compared to upper one or VMP fraction. And then VRMS fraction is lower, but speed is highest in magnitude. Already this was given to you sometime back. When you take ratio of the three speeds, VRMS to V average to VMP can be given 1 is to 0.9 to 1 is to 0.816. That is the ratio of the speed of all three type taken here. VRMS to average to VMP means RMS is highest in magnitude, VMP is lowest in magnitude. You can see the graph here. I hope it is clear. In the given graph, the area under graph, the area under graph in this case represent the number of gas molecules. So you can see in this case we have some molecules having lower speed range, some are having very high speed range also, but majority of molecules are lying in this space where the area is maximum, will contain the maximum number of molecules. Now in the given second point taken here, I have taken two different temperatures. We have taken two different temperature, one is T1, second is T2 temperature. So what happened? with rising temperature, as per relation, all kind of speeds are increasing. T2 is more than T1. So what happened with rising temperature? Speed of all types of the gas molecules increase, but the fractional molecules having speed Vmp earlier now will be lower. Fractional molecule decrease having speed Vmp earlier decrease, and then the total number of gas molecules are remaining unchanged, remains constant. So what happened? The area under graph will be same in both the cases, and we can take more number of molecules will lie in high speed region. More number of molecules will lie in the high speed region with rising temperature. They are the key points we have to remember. If at all we get question, the question is commonly given is this one here. Okay, they can ask you temperature range, which is higher to lower temperature. Okay, so that is this Maxwell's distribution. It is, this term is normally not used, but both scientists given contribution, so it is combined and taken Maxwell's Boltzmann distribution, otherwise simply Maxwell's distribution of molecular speeds. So I hope it is clear, Maxwell's distribution of speeds. Now next topic taken is van der Waals gas equation, the behavior of real gases and deviation of the gas from ideal behavior. So let us take next topic now.